Okay, children, we will drink this. Oh, you
Yes.
drink this? I finished already.
Okay.
Yeah, okay, Dabi. First. Oh, you say hi. Hi. Hi there. Hello, my friends, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to my little channel, to Donabelia Hardinera's channel. Tuloy po kayo sa aking munting channel. Ngayong hapon ay pag-aralan natin or we will talk about the benefits we can get from this cantaloupe melon. Okay? So, this summer is the season for cantaloupe, especially here in the Philippines. It is a very healthful and refreshing fruit to eat, especially if eaten a little bit cold. And but before or afterwards, I will make a nice drink out of this with milk and sugar and a little or a few ice cubes. But before that, we will talk first the benefits we can get from this cantaloupe melon. Okay, so stay put. Everything we want to know about cantaloupe melon. The following facts are medically reviewed by Natalie Olsen, RD, LD, ACSM EP-C, written by Megan Ware, RDN, LD, on November 18, 2019. Megan Ware said that cantaloupe melon makes a refreshing snack in the summer, and it contains nutrients that can benefit a person's health. Popular with children and adults, cantaloupe can make a refreshing, healthful, and easy summer dessert, while their high water content helps prevent dehydration. This type of fruit also contains a variety of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Other names for cantaloupe include mush melon, rock melon. They are member of the Cucurbitaceae family, along with honeydew melons, watermelons, and cucumbers. The water, antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals in cantaloupe can provide a variety of health benefits. Antioxidant, for example, can help prevent cell damage that can lead to cancer and other health conditions. Woo! During metabolism, the body produces unstable molecules called free radicals, which can collect in the body and damage cells. This damage is known as oxidative stress. Antioxidants help remove the radicals from the body and prevent oxidative stress. Antioxidants help remove free radicals from the body and prevent oxidative stress. Cantaloupe contains a range of antioxidants including selenium, beta-carotene, vitamin C, lutein, zeaxanthin, and choline. Age-related macular degeneration. Lutein and zeaxanthin are two similar antioxidants and plant pigments that give fruits and vegetables a yellow to red hue. The combination can help filter out harmful blue rays. Doctors believe that it plays a protective role in health and may help prevent damage from age-related macular degeneration or AMD. Megan Ware, also cited authors of study published in 2009, suggests that the combination of lutein, zeaxanthin, which is present in cantaloupe, may help protect the eyes from damage that leads to AMD. Vitamin C is an essential vitamin and antioxidant that may protect against asthma. Some experts have suggest using vitamin C supplements to treat asthma. A cup of cantaloupe balls provide 65 milligrams of vitamin C. Also, people with asthma who receive choline, another antioxidant in cantaloupe, as a treatment experience a reduction in levels of inflammation, according to a 2010 study. The fiber, potassium, vitamin C, and choline in cantaloupe all support heart's health. Consuming foods rich in potassium can help decrease blood pressure. The American Health Association, or AME, or AHA, recommend that an average adult consume 4,700 milligrams of potassium a day to keep a cardiovascular system healthy. Beta-carotene, tocopherol, and other antioxidants in cantaloupe may help prevent cell damage caused by oxidative stress. Dietary fiber also appears to offer protection from colorectal cancer. A cup of cantaloupe contains 1.6 grams of fiber. Cantaloupe has a high water content and provides fiber. Fiber and water can help prevent constipation, promoting regularity and a healthy digestive tract. With the high water and electrolyte content, cantaloupe is a good choice for boosting hydration during hot summer months or after a workout. Examples of electrolytes in cantaloupe include sodium, potassium, calcium, and magnesium. A 2019 review found out that a range of minerals and vitamins may play a role in promoting hair growth and preventing hair loss. Many are present in various amounts in cantaloupe, such as vitamin A, C, and E, B vitamins, folate, iron, selenium, and zinc. Wow! Now, let's start making a healthful drink. Okay, out of this very nice cantaloupe, you see? And it smells very nice. We will get first the seeds. Okay. So when choosing for or buying a cantaloupe, we must choose a dark yellow like this. And with a nice shape. So during summer, the appearance and the savor of this cantaloupe is very nice. Now let's grate this cantaloupe. And put in a pitcher. Before we continue grating, we put sugar so that it will melt while we continue grating. We will estimate only because afterwards we will also put milk. Okay, finish grating, we will add milk. Okay. Then we will mix. More milk. Then put ice cubes. Oh, the ice already become water. Okay. We add water. Okay. Okay, we will taste. Very nice, very sweet. Nice. So it's really a very recommendable kind of drink. Aside from being having many nutrients and very delicious, it's so refreshing. So let's always drink or eat this cantaloupe. TBJ. So children, let's drink this. Janelle, come here.
Huh?
Come here.
Ano na sila? Ito? Melon. Oy, kuna ko niya.
JM, come here. Okay, say hi to our viewers.
Hi.
Nene, come here, Nene. Nene. Say hi, come hi.
Hi.
Nice, Namet.
Yes.
You like?
Yes.
Yeah. Afternoon, I hope you learned many things about this cantaloupe melon. It's a really very healthy food, or a very healthy, yes, fruit. So we will always choose to eat this during summer, no? We ugaliin natin kumain ito bawat summer. So don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video of mine. Thank you for watching. God bless. Take care always, and bye-bye.
So, hi.